Cash App Promotional Code Update 2025. Today we are talking about the Cash App Promotional Code Update for 2025, how to use it, what's new, and how you can still get free money just for signing up or referring a friend. So, if you are new to Cash App or haven't used a promo code yet, here's what you need to know. Cash App offers a bonus, usually around $5 to $15, when someone signs up using a valid referral code and sends their first $5 or more. In 2025, that offer is still active, but there are a few updates. First, the referral bonus can now vary by region and promotional period. That means in some locations or during certain campaigns, you might see special codes that offer more than the usual amount. For example, around holidays or big events, Cash App may boost the reward temporarily. And as for the next step, the code input process is still super simple. If you are a new user, download Cash App, go to your profile, and enter referral code under the enter referral code section before you make your first transaction. If you already have a Cash App but didn't uh, didn't enter a code when signing up, unfortunately you can't apply a promo code to retroactively. The bonus is only available during initial sign up. Now, here is what's new in 2025. Cash App is starting to roll out personalized promo codes. That means if you refer someone, you will get your own unique code that's easier to remember or share, like your username instead of a random set of letters. Also, Cash App has added a referral tracker within the app. You can see how many people have used your code, their status, and when you will receive your bonus. This makes it way easier to keep track of your rewards. To find your promo code, just open Cash App, tap your profile icon, then go to Invite Friends. You will see your unique referral code and a share button to send it through text, email, or social media. And one last thing, be aware of fake promo codes or scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Only use codes from trusted sources or directly from Cash App's official channels. That's it for 2025 Cash App promo code update. If you are signing up or helping someone else get started, this is way easy to grab a few bucks just for using the app. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload another YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.